I tried Nyan Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first heard about the Nyan Wallet, I thought it was just another crypto app. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that it's one of the most underrated wallets for the NEO blockchain. Simple, fast, and surprisingly powerful for both beginners and experts. On day 1, setting up was effortless. No complicated menus or hidden options. Within minutes, I had my wallet created and secured with a recovery key. It felt refreshingly minimal, yet professional. On day 2, I was exploring its core purpose, managing NEO and gas. Most people get this wrong, but Nyan Wallet isn't just a place to store coins. It automatically claims your gas rewards, meaning you're constantly earning just by holding NEO. That's passive income built right into your wallet. Midweek, I tested transaction sending and receiving NEO took seconds, with low fees and clear confirmations. I even connected it to a Ledger hardware wallet for added security, and everything worked flawlessly. By day 6, I noticed something impressive: transparency. The app doesn't rely on third parties to process your transactions. It connects directly to the blockchain, giving you full control of your assets. That's something many so-called secure wallets can't honestly claim. After 7 days, the shocking truth about Nyan Wallet became clear. It's not flashy, and it doesn't try to be. Instead, it focuses on doing one thing exceptionally well: managing NEO assets securely and efficiently. If you're holding NEO or just want a lightweight, open-source wallet you can trust, Nyan is worth every second of your time. It proves that in crypto, simplicity often means strength.